Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your trim password. Changing your password regularly is a great way to keep your trim account more secure. Let's walk through how to do it in just a few simple steps. First step, open the trim app and log in with your current password. Once you're in, tap on the menu icon usually found in the top right or left corner. From there, just select settings or account settings. Now look for the change password option, tap on it, and then you'll be prompted to enter your current password first. This ensures that only you can make changes to your account. Next, to create a strong password, make sure it's a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. You also want to avoid common phrases and try to make it unique as possible. After entering the new password, confirm it by typing it again, and then you're going to hit save or update. You will receive a confirmation message letting you know that your password has been changed successfully. And that's it. Now your Dream account is even more secure. In the next video, I'm going to show you guys how to enable two-factor authentication for an added layer of protection. So stay tuned if you're interested in that. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys in the next one.